There's a Box Life van from Knaus. I'd like to say a few words about sleeping and trying to pack as many people as you can into a van. Now, this van is around €50,000 in price, and what happens is these days there's more and more manufacturers, not just Knaus, but not just a lot of them, are trying to get younger people involved. Let's say younger people maybe with young families and things of this nature, rather than the traditionally sort of the people who buy vans. In Germany the average age is 63, in Norway it's 70, and United States I think it's now 52, in France it's about 57, but that gives the average age. So obviously you want to get the younger people involved, but the problem is access to cash. And now these vans don't cost much less. Now this one here is just under €50,000, and to say it's a van for younger people, well, it clearly is, but you've got to question access to cash and credit facilities. Now here in Germany, as well as in the United Kingdom, there are now special credit facilities for motorhomes and camper vans, so it may become a little bit easier. But you know, if you're that age, you're probably still working all the time. The two of you may be working all the time. You've got access to the credit. How often are you going to use the van? So bear that one in mind. It might be better just to rent. I urge everyone to rent first and see if you like it, because if even let's say a 5% interest rate with everything, so that's just easy for me to calculate. So that's €2,500 a year, plus whatever you're losing on the interest from the deposit you have to do, plus the depreciation. You know, you're easily looking at €7,000-8,000 a year before you've even taken the van off your drive. So bear that in mind. You've got insurance and all these other things as well to pay for. So bear all of that in mind as far as cost is concerned. That's why renting it makes so much more sense, and these sort of vans are ideally suited for rental companies. Let's come in here because I want to show you what it's like at night. Now it's 541 centimeters long, this van, and it's 205 centimeters wide. Internal width is 187, internal height 190, and external height is 258. I think the width there for 205 isn't all that much bigger than a car. It's a little bit big. It's a bit bigger, but it isn't all that much bigger. But you've got to drive it and see if you can drive it okay before you buy it as well. If you don't like driving it, then don't buy the thing. You know, but do rent the thing first, whatever you do. Right, there you go. So you can see it's well designed for the outdoor life, and those drawers open both ways. Now imagine you're sort of in here in this van, and it's a bit of a squash. So the two of you up there, maybe you've got two kids down there. Think about it. Remember what a hotel looks like. You might prefer to be in a hotel. Now I am convinced of the van life way. I just want to travel in vans. I'm no longer interested in hotels, but I've got to point all these things out. So, do you think you could manage in such a small area? Or not? What do you think? You got your kids down there? I know that very few people who watch my videos have kids. I'm aware of that. I'm aware of the age range of people who I see the demographics. Something like 70 or over 70% of my viewers are over 45. Right, so anyway, I point that one out. I want you to be aware of what's happening. Yeah, of course, you can before you in there, you want a bit of ventilation. I'll get it up there. Getting into the toilet. Someone needs to use the toilet at night. They'll probably wake everybody else up. But you know, I think that's got to be expected. How do you get in and out of the bed? Well, some vans have ladders. Others, okay, it's not. It's a bit of a drop down there, with or without a ladder. Others don't. I know. Anyway, I haven't just picked on Knaus for this. Actually, I've got to point out that this applies to all vehicle manufacturers. So Knaus were nice enough to put the bed down here, so I actually told people about it. Right, if you're interested in van life and problems of van life, go to my site www.motorhomefulltime.com. I was a financial journalist, so I know a little bit about calculating costs and things like that. I also wrote business plans out for real estate projects, so these sort of things I tend to know a little bit about. So it may be worth making some notes on from things I say from time to time.